Hello, this is the tutorial for my Lego Puzzle Block City Streets. But first I'm just gonna tell you some info. I've got a second channel, which is for this guy, called LeWildThing. I'll link it down in the description or comments, so go check it out. He also got social medias. He got Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Snapchat. And he's LeWildThing on all of them. And if you want to chat with me personally, or like my real me, or however you say it, it's on Instagram, Alex Alblad, on Snapchat, Alexander Alblad, and on Skype, Alexander.Alblad. I write it down in the description, whatever. Yeah, and sorry for not uploading any videos lately. My computer has kind of broken as well, so I can't edit anything, but I'm trying to solve it. So in the meantime, this tutorial, and go check out LeWildThing. Yeah, to the tutorial. Start off with a 8x8 smooth pieces here and here. Then you put an 8 by like two 8x1s on top of each other, and then walls on the side. Now you can use to put a wall up here, but what I did, I made a train station. So these two things are stairs. Here's like, this is the kind of station where you walk on and off. And where's that piece? Right. Here I got two. Alright, put a 1x4 here down here. And then, like this is station 2, 1x4s, 2, and 1x6. A round piece here and a smooth piece there. Then 1x4 smooth piece like that. Smooth pieces like that, and here's a 1x2 and a 3x1 gap there, smooth pieces, and a 1x6 with a 8x1 smooth piece. If I'm going too fast, pause and check it, or if you got any question, try to ask me and I'll try to explain. Yeah, I don't know how much memory I got, so gonna make it a little quick. This 1x4, so windows, 1x6, and here you put a 1x2, 1x1 smooth, and 1x2 here. Put it in here, like that. And then you want to make a 1x5. Put a 1x1 round piece flat, and then one kind of these bricks. Smooth pieces here, smooth, and a couch piece here, or whatever you call it, sofa. No, I don't mind. Yeah, and before you do that, you wanna put Did I? No? Sorry, I'm a little confused now. Right, yeah. It's gonna be like that, but no, I don't know. Alright. Or maybe you take. Yeah, I got the pieces messed up, or I took it apart before I made the thing. No, you wanna keep that on, and we'll see. Or anyways, put this piece here. I'm sorry for this, but anyways, let's try to build what I kind of know. Yeah, this one. Right, you wanna make an 8 by, like 2 8x1s, like this, and you wanna try to fit it in there. Sorry, this is confusing. See what I did? I hope like this. And then so this is gonna slide down to this level. So yeah, works perfectly. Yay. On this side you wanna put a 1x1. There was a black gap kind of. Then you take 1x8 flat, 1x2, 1x2 flat or smooth. Ta-da! Right, now what? I think you're gonna put a 1x3 here and a yes, and then you take two 1x6 sixes and 1x4 1x1 here. Yeah, on top of here. This is a bad tutorial, so pardon for that. 1x3, 1x2, and this square smooth 2x2. Alright, so make sure it's single size pretty like that. Take this long smooth off, and now we're gonna build the moving, I don't know what. This was complicated. Alright, so this is a flat corner piece. Under you wanna put a, like this, black smooth. It can be one of those as well. But if you got these, you have to pull it all back. This is a better option because you have to pull it all back before you can pull this down. Then one of these claw pieces and the 1x1. On top, a 1x1 smooth. And these two. I don't even remember where to put that one. Alright. So yeah, alright. Put it like that. No, don't. Put it like that. I'm sorry for this. Then this on top here, and this piece here, so this can slide over there, and then you rotate top of this. I need to try this. Give me a second. You can skip forward if you want. Oh, right. Yeah, it should work. Sorry for the inconvenience. Or whatever. And put that back. Now you should have this. If not, then I'm a bad tutorialer. Then you get a 1x8, 1x2 here. Put some flat pieces here. If you want to make a road, you can put whatever you want there. Yeah, you can. In this one here, I usually put it this way. Alright, so back here you wanna make a 1x2, some of these pieces, slide it in like that. Perfect, almost. Alright, so this is gonna be here. So yeah. Now we're gonna build this piece, which is let's take it apart somewhat. Start off with a 2x8 and a 1x1 in this corner. When you rotate like that, place stuff. You don't need this, you can just put flat or nothing, but smooth pieces here. And here you want to put this piece like that. Pause and make it happen. On this side you want to take 1x8, two 1x2s here, and 1x1 here. Rotate it like that. Smooth pieces here, smooth piece there, but a 1x2 flat there. And they should be like this. Pause, go back if you have to. Now, alright, so this is gonna be here. You wanna take a 1x4 with a 1x1 around there, a 3x1. You don't have to have this piece here. Maybe something there if you want. You put it on here and here, and then you take a 2x2 brick. On top you take a 3x2, 3x1, smooth piece there, and then 1x1 there, 1x2, and 1x2 smooth. 1x2 flat, 1x3, and 1x2 flat. Put it on top of here, and on this one, 1x4, 1x4, 1x1, and you see the matching there. Then a 2 1x4s, 1x2, and a 1x2 smooth, and then one of these here as well. And then you want to take a 1x2, 1x1, 1x1 smooth, glass pieces, 2x2 flat smooth here, 1x1 there. Connect it like that, and it should go like that. Back here, make sure the lowest one is a piece with a hole in, otherwise just fill it up. Here you put a 1x2 and 1x2 flat. And then you 1x6, 1x4, and just, I make something like a shape on the roof. You don't have to do it, I think. Put something there. Alright, so the whole part under there. Alright, a 1x4 smooth here. Now, here's the technical part. You wanna take two of these, put one facing upwards, and on top of that one facing left. Two 1x2s and two 1x2 round. You wanna slide this up here like that, and then you take a 3x2, put a piece in the corner here, and if you have it facing rotated like that, put something on top, and make sure this is to the left, and then you just put it on, because when this piece slide on, you will be able to slide this. To fill that gap out, you take two 1x2s, 1x1, and something if you want. Make sure you can grab it and lift it. On the side here, you can either just, you don't have to have this gap if you don't want to, but if you build this thing, you can easily put whatever piece down there again, easily. Two 1x2s like that, and there. This is easy control. 1x4 smooth, 3x2, 3x1s, and some windows there. I'm sorry for stressing through this. Alright, so easily. And now, to not having to do every step, I just do this quick cheating way. And right down here, don't forget to put down one of these and like put it down, tilt it, and it will set itself in place. Right, sorry for the stress. I hope you solved everything and understood. Otherwise, ask and I try to answer. So check out LeWildThing and my social media as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.